Can you do the surplus funds and overage recovery business in the state of Washington? I want to share with you a case I was able to complete there in my own business. Here's a picture of the property, and we were able to recover just shy of $75,000 on this particular property. Okay, here is a picture of the check and part of the letter / email that it came with. Oh, let me move my picture here. So there you can see the total amount we were able to recover. And again, this was in the state of Washington. This was a mortgage overage. They also have tax overages in Washington. You have to be aware that there are fee limitations in Washington, so it may not be a state that you want to work because of that. Just depends on your preference. But you can do both tax overages and mortgage overages in the state of Washington. Mortgage overages, you're going to have to go through a court process. Tax overages, you're dealing directly with the county in most instances. So there are some different procedures depending on the type of surplus you're recovering. Yeah, done several deals in Washington. If you have questions, guys, about getting started in surplus funds, whether it be in Washington or any other state, I've completed surplus funds recovery deals in over 35 different states over the past 10 years. So if you're looking to get started, reach out to me, or you can check out my training as well. Should be posted in the link under this video. That'll help you get started, learn the process, avoid pitfalls. And appreciate you guys watching. And that's just an example of a case that I personally completed in the state of Washington, one of many. Thanks so much.